Hello everyone. I am V. Saicharan studying 8th standard in COE Alugnur, Karimnagar. Now I want to say about the topic plastics. So what are plastics? Plastics are polymers. It is available in different shapes and sizes. It can be recycled, reused, molded and can be converted into different shapes and sizes, and we can form it into thin sheets and wires, etc. So plastics are very harmful to environment. It takes years to decompose on the earth. Example: polythene cover, polythene bag, toys, chairs, buckets, etc. Do you know, friends? The first plastic was discovered by the Alexander Parkes. The name of the plastic which he discovered is Parkesine. Alexander Parkes discovered Parkesine plastic. And plastics are of two types. They are thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Let me explain about thermoplastics. Thermoplastics are the plastics which can be molded on heating, and it can be bent into any size. These plastics can soften when heated and harden when cooled. For example, polythene covers and bags, and PVC. These types of plastics are used for making of toys, combs, etc. And thermosetting plastics. Thermosetting plastics are the plastics when molded it can be remain in the same size, and it can't be bent any side. So for example, bakelite and melamine. Bakelite is used for handles of utensils and switchboards, and melamine is used for keyboards and kitchenware. So this is about the topic plastics. Thanks for watching. So please subscribe and like it and share it. Have a nice day.